Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. So today I want to give you another opportunity that can actually make you a lot of money online, and this one is actually a project called grass. So what we are expected to do here is that every day we'll claim grass points here. It's called grass point or grass token, and by the time this project will be launching, all those points we claim will actually be converted to their token here, and you don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is just to register and then connect your network. So what this project is all about is that we are in Web3 now, so they want to do things differently from the way it has been done in Web2. So this project is trying to reward users for their network, meaning that once your data is on and you are browsing online, you are checking a lot of things online, you are going to be rewarded for actually using your data to be online. A lot of us are always online. Someone like me that my data doesn't go off. You can see how much you can be able to earn each time your data is on and you are connected to this platform. Now let me show you their Twitter handle so that you will even see that this thing is genuine. Now on their Twitter handle, and that reminds me guys, I hope you all know that my previous Twitter account was actually restricted. I don't know what I've actually done to Twitter, so you can also go and follow me on this new account right away. So this is their handle here, and of course you can see it is grass and they're having the golden tick here, and of course you can see the first incentivized web scraping protocol powered by Wine Network. So just as I told you, they reward you for actually being online. You can just come, take your time and go ahead, read every information about them if you want to make more research about them. But I've actually done that, and I can tell you that it's good to go. All we just need is to go ahead and get registered. So for you to get registered and then connect your network is very easy and simple, and I'm going to be showing you how to get that done. So first thing first, just go ahead, in the description of this video you are going to see the first link. Click on that first link you are seeing there. So guys, once you click on that link, it's actually going to bring you to this platform where you will need to go ahead and register. But mind you, I'm actually doing this with my Macy's browser because we will need to download the extension, which will actually need to get connected online for you to see that we are always online. So why I'm using my Macy's browser is because it permits me to install extensions. So you can also do this using your Kiwi browser, or better still, if you want to do it in your PC, you can go ahead and do it. But I'm just doing this video using mobile phone because I know most of us are always online with our mobile phone. So that's why I'm using mobile phone to demonstrate this, and I'm using Macy's browser. So it's either you go ahead and make use of Macy's browser or Kiwi browser, because these two give you an option to download extension. So once you are here, just go ahead, fill your email address and then choose your username here, password, confirm password again, and then you see my referral code here. Just click on agree and then go ahead and get registered. So I'm going to fill this, get registered, and then show you how to connect the extension immediately. So guys, once I'm done filling this form, of course you can see I'm done filling it, and also make sure that you tick this box here. So once that is done, I will just go ahead and click on register here. So you can see that I have actually registered successfully on this, and this is how your this is how your interface, the dashboard, will look like. So the next thing you will need to do here is to go ahead and download their extension so that you connect it. This is where you will come and connect it. If you, of course, you can see here it's not connected, and you can see it's showing the Wi-Fi sign here. So this is the Wi-Fi sign that it will use to dictate whenever you are online, and then it will get rewarding you for actually being online. So this is very, very good guys, because we are always online, and so instead of us to be online and we are not getting any reward thereof, so it's better we are online and then we are also being rewarded for being online. So if I go ahead and click on this connect right away, it's actually going to take me to Google where I will need to download their extension. So if I come here, let me zoom this a little, because this is already I set this to be on PC view. That is why you are seeing it like this. So you just come here and click on this add Chrome extension, add to Chrome. Say okay, So guys, once you give it a little time, it's actually going to load and be added to extension. And how will you know? If you come here, you'll be seeing remove from Chrome. So this shows that it's already added. So if I even come to this place here, this is my extension. If I come here and click on it, of course you are going to see it. Let me show you. If I click on this extension here, now of course you can see, look at the grass extension right away. So I have actually added it to my Chrome extension. So I can go ahead and click on it to open it. So of course you can see that is actually loading, and that is the extension that we just downloaded. And then what do I need to do? Remember, we created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log into this particular place using that account that we created. So I will put my username or email address here, and then here is where I will put the password. So once I type my username and the password, I will come here and click on login. So once this is logged me in here, you might be seeing this disconnected, but what you want to do, if it's not showing connected, you can just come to this place here. Just come here, locate this place here, click on it, close to your username. You can see reconnect. So I'll click on this reconnect. So guys, once it's connected, of course you can see here that it's connected, but then you just have to give it a little time. I actually give it a little time to populate, and of course you can see here that is connected, and from this other place you can see my signal level here, and it's showing 85%. So my network is a bit strong, so you are going to be earning grass token from this place here. And if you come to down here, this where you have lifetime earning, you can see that I'm already earning 38 grass token here. And then if, let me go back again. So if I go back to the other tab, so guys, on this other tab as well, of course you can see that my lifetime earning here is also corresponding with what I show you in the other side. You can see here 38.42 grass token here. And for today, of course you can see that I've earned 35.42. so since today my data has actually been on, and that is why it has been populating. So this is how you earn from this particular platform. Of course you can see my network connections here is going to be showing you in this particular place. So guys, this is all you just need to do. Get connected and start earning as long as your data is actually on. And you can do this with your phone. If you want to do it with your PC, it's also okay. Just let for you to choose whichever platform that will best suit your interest. So guys, thank you once again for coming to watch this video. And remember, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe so that you will not be missing my update. It's just very easy and simple. It will not take anything away from you. Smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that if I upload, YouTube will notify you. And also do well to like this video, share this video. See you in my next update. Bye for now.